Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in additional of 2 days newspaper on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, October the 10th, 2020. There are here four Sudokus with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. Two tectonics with 1 star, tectonic with 3 stars. A binary number 1 and a binary number 2. And I have announced several days ago I won't solve all these Sudokus. Too much work for me. I need the time because uploading these Sudokus time consuming. Also, solving these Sudokus also time consuming. So I've decided to do the half of these Sudokus in the extra Sudokus, the additionals. So the 1 star I will skip, the 2 stars I will skip 2. So I will make the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudokus. If you want the solution of the 1 star or 2 stars, just leave a comment. I will also give you a link for the PDF file. So the PDF file, you can always download this file and print it out and solve it by yourself. But if you have troubles with the solution, you just leave a comment. Maybe I will do that Sudoku. And the tectonic, I will not solve the tectonic with 1 star, but I will do the 3 stars tectonic. And the binary, I won't do both binaries. I will do one of them. I think I will do the first binary puzzle. So total of 4 Sudokus. I will record it and upload it. The 3 stars Sudoku. Yes, this one will be number 1735. Yes, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. The 3 star Sudoku has always 25. Let me check if this is correct. 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 4 is 13, plus 4 is 17, plus 2 is 19, plus 3 is 22. 22 plus 3 is equal to 25. Correct. So the first the Sudoku with 1 star 27, 2 stars 26, and the 3 stars 25. Alright, so let's get started. I see here 9 in this column, a 9 in that column, so in the middle column, the only place for the 9 should be there. And then 4 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. Well, we see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 3, 5. Alright. So we have a 1 in this row, a 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. Alright. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in that box. 1 box left for the 8, should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. Then, how about we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. So the 2 can be here or can be there. Well, we see here 2, so no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be here. 3, 4, 3, 5. Then A2 in this row, A2 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Alright. Then, how about the number 5 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9. It should be there. Then 6, 4, 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 7 should be here. 1, 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing in this column. 3 and the 4. Let me mark them. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. In the middle, in those 2 boxes, in this big square, the 3 and the 4 again. 3 and the 4 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. Same story with the 4. 4 in this column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So in the middle column, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. Together with the 3, we have a pair. 3 and a 4, that means 1 digit left in this big square for the number 5. 1 box left in this middle column for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 2. Let me mark them. It's a pair. It's a pair. It's a pair. Alright. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8. No 8 in those 3 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then. How about Yeah. How about the number? Let me see the number. We have now 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 1 box left in the second row for the number 6. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 6 should be here. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be a 2. Yeah. And let me see. Can we do, yes, the 8 in this column, the 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 2. Alright. 6, 4, 7. Alright. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then, how about the number? 3, 4, 5. Yeah. How about the 2 in this column, the first column, 2 in the third column, so in the second column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 3. Alright. 3, 9, 4, 5. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in these 3 boxes, so the 5 could be here or could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, a 5 in the row below the middle row, so in the last row, the row below, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in the first column. The 3 and the 4 are missing in the first column. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this row. The 5 and the 3 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this row. Those numbers are the 6 and the 5. We see here 6, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there, 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 4, alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 3 and the 9. We see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be the 4. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 4, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 9. 7 and 9, we see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku. Yes, because I have skipped 2 Sudokus, 1 star and 2 stars, and later on I will skip 1 tectonic and 1 binary. Yes, see you later. Bye bye for now.